Yeah, I can remember the day where I decided that I wanted to become an astrobiologist. My name's Danny Glavin, and I search for the building blocks of life and rocks from space. As an astrobiologist working at NASA, I've had a lot of interesting opportunities to not only work in a laboratory in a chemistry lab where we study meteorites, but also go out to the field. So I've been to Antarctica to search for meteorites. I've been to Hawaii in a Mars simulation environment to test instruments that may one day be used on Mars by humans. A lot of different experiences. You know, to communicate the science, I get to travel all over the world. So looking back to elementary school, academically, no problems. I was always very inclined towards the math and sciences. Turns out that English and communication is the most important part about being a scientist, and writing. The favorite part about my job is really working with some of the best and brightest from all around the world. The diversity here is second to none. You're meeting people from all over the world that really share your passion of being the first scientist to discover, hopefully one day, the origin of life on Earth or finding life elsewhere. This is really what gets me up every morning.